Storytelling in your photography business. Storytelling in your photography business can be a powerful tool in business to engage your audience, build connections, and convey your brand's message effectively. The importance of storytelling in your photography business. Brand storytelling. Crafting a compelling narrative that effectively conveys your brand's values, mission, and unique selling proposition is crucial in establishing a strong connection with your audience. By weaving a narrative that showcases the passion and dedication you bring to your craft, you can communicate the values that drive your creative process. Whether it's a commitment to authenticity, a belief in the power of visual storytelling, or a dedication to capturing fleeting moments of beauty, articulating these core values will help your audience understand what sets you apart as a photographer. Highlighting the unique selling proposition of your brand is another essential component of crafting a compelling narrative. By sharing stories that reflect the challenges you've overcome and the successes you've celebrated along the way, you humanize your brand and make it relatable to your audience. In short, by crafting a narrative that authentically communicates your brand's values, mission, and unique selling proposition, you can forge a deep and lasting emotional connection with your audience. Through the power of storytelling, you can invite others to join you on your creative journey, inspiring them to see the world through your lens and fostering a sense of community and belonging among those who appreciate your work. Marketing and advertising. Utilize the power of storytelling techniques in your marketing endeavors and advertising strategies to effectively captivate the attention of your intended audience. By incorporating narratives into your campaigns, you can create a profound connection with your target demographic. Through storytelling, you can vividly depict the challenges and dilemmas that your clients face before they enlist your photography services. Also focus on portraying the transformative effects of your photography on your clients' lives. Showcase how your artistic vision and technical expertise can elevate their experiences and capture moments that are cherished for a lifetime. By leveraging storytelling techniques in your marketing campaigns, you can create a compelling narrative that resonates deeply with your target audience. Content marketing. Incorporating storytelling into your content strategy is a powerful way to engage your audience on a deeper level. When you weave narratives into your blog posts, social media content, or videos as a photographer, you create a connection that goes beyond just showcasing your work. By sharing personal anecdotes or customer success stories, you humanize your brand and make it more relatable to your audience. Storytelling allows you to showcase the values and mission behind your photography business. Presentations and pitches. When delivering presentations or pitches for your photography service, incorporating storytelling can significantly enhance the impact of your message. By weaving narratives into your presentations, you can create a more engaging and memorable experience for your audience. When you use storytelling in your presentations, you can effectively illustrate key points by framing them within a compelling narrative. Stories can serve as powerful examples that showcase the value of your photography service. By sharing real-life experiences and success stories, you can demonstrate the impact of your work in a tangible and meaningful way. By incorporating storytelling into your presentations, you can ensure that your message resonates long after the presentation is over. Overall, storytelling is a powerful tool that can elevate your photography presentations and pitches to new heights. By using stories to convey your ideas effectively, you can create a more engaging, memorable, and impactful experience for your audience.